and welcome. Today we are going to talk about citralca syrup, a very commonly prescribed medicine for urinary problem. We will discuss its uses, dosage and side effect in detail. Citralca syrup is an alkalinizing agent. It reduces the acidity of urine and provides relief in urinary burning pain and kidney stone problems. Uses of citralca syrup. Uses: relief in burning urination, help in urinary tract infection symptoms, used in kidney stone problem, reduce uric acid level in urine and helpful in painful urination. Its dose is adult, usually 2 teaspoon 2 to 3 times a day with water. And side effect: it's stomach upset, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, weakness and etc. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.